Hey, what's up, everyone? Hope you all are doing great. All right, so I just wanted to quickly let you know that the DeFi Pirates NFT staking is live right now. They just announced it a few hours ago. And if you are asking what is DeFi Pirates NFT, DeFi Pirates NFT is the NFT for the protocol Chest Finance. Okay, if you have previously watched my video about their product, which I highly recommend you go ahead and do that. Watch this video. Go Google Chest Finance and Jimmy, and you will find this video. I've explained all the details about their product, their NFT, their DAO, and also their upcoming vaults, which is the leverage vaults. All right, so if you were aware and if you watched that video 2 weeks ago, you must be aware that they had an NFT mint, and the NFT mint was successful, and it was sold out within 1 minute. And yeah, it was for 2.50, but right now it's 4.86, but whatever, Anyways, it was a successful launch, and as you see right here in Magic Eden, people also can go ahead and list that, and you see 474. There are listings on the secondary market. But anyways, right now we're just going to take a quick look into how you can go ahead and stake your Pirates NFT if you have collected and if you have minted them or if you have bought them from the secondary market. If you do not have a chest finder, DeFi Pirate NFT, if you want them, you can go ahead and purchase them from the secondary market, and then you can go ahead and stake it. All right, but where can you stake it? You can stake it in a Honey DeFi platform, okay, which is a liquidity solutions for all Solana NFTs. You can do borrowing, lending, staking, etc. Okay, and a lot more other use cases. But in this use case, you can stake your DeFi Pirate NFT and you can earn pHoney. pHoney, which is a token, which is a governance token of Honey DeFi platform. And soon, what they're going to do is like Chest Finance or the DeFi Pirates NFTs, you can borrow against your NFT. That means once you stake your NFT, you can borrow probably Sol, or you can borrow USDC or different other tokens like that. So that means you're creating a utility on top of that NFT, which is great. All right, and it just improves the liquidity of the NFT itself. All right, so if you don't want to list on the secondary market, probably you want to stake it, and you just want to borrow against that, you can go ahead and do that, but that will be coming soon. All right, but right now you can just go ahead and you can earn pHoney. And yeah, they've left the link right here. Just gonna go ahead and click on that and connect your wallet. You will see the option to connect your wallet. Yeah, so once your wallet is linked, that's great. Just go to the section which says farm, and right now on the right hand side, your NFTs should appear. All right, but it says here select a collection. So as you can see, there are a lot of different other collections as well, but what we are looking for is the DeFi Pirates one. All right, so yeah, so you can see all the stats right here and all that stuff, right? So you can do that. So for each of the NFT, you're gonna get like 1.1 pHoney, all right? And in total, like currently there are like 2,739 NFTs staked, and they are getting approximately like 3,000 pHoney per day. All right, so just click on this. Once you do that, the NFTs have already done that. Okay, so that's why it doesn't appear over here. All right, so yeah, your NFTs will appear over here, and depending on how many you have, how many NFTs you have in that wallet for this collection, you can go ahead and stake them one by one. All right, yeah, that's the thing. You need to do them one by one. If you have like 50 or 100, you need to yeah, click them each one at a time. All right, so basically let's look at like how some of the people have done right here. So yeah, as you can see, this guy, as I mentioned, it's going to appear to the right hand side, so it'll appear right like that. And yeah, so that's the way you can see. Once you stake it, you can also unstake it, and you will see the button just like that. And I've seen that. But anyways, let's take a look at this video. This guy, this person, whoever this is, did a very nice video about this. So as you see, he's in Honey Finance. He clicked on DeFi Pirates. He clicked on stake, and then now the wallet appears to approve just a basic, you sign the transaction. But of course, um, before doing all of that, you should remember, you know Honey Finance, or the app itself, it's a smart contract, and there are risk, of course, because this is just like DeFi, so there could be different risk, and maybe you can, maybe someone hacked your wallet or something like that, and then um, you could lose all your NFTs, or maybe you shared your private key with someone else, and there could be a lot of consequences. So there are risks. Okay, so if you're comfortable with all the risk, then go ahead and do that. If you don't feel comfortable, you don't need to do it. All right, you can go ahead and stake it in Magic Eden as well. But here too, it's almost the same risk, but this is more like a centralized sort of NFT listing platform. Just okay. But yeah, anyways, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope this was useful, and I have staked it. So if you want, go ahead and do that. All right, and there's no rush. But yeah, okay. One other thing is there is some sort of a reward they mention over here. As you see, like staking with Honey in officially is live. And note, we have we have hidden a few treasures for our pirates that are collecting pHoney. That means once you stake your NFT, you collect pHoney, and they have some hidden prizes. Okay, and they call the community members pirates. All right, that's why it's called DeFi Pirates. And so stake your NFT within 24 hours for a chance to win prizes. Okay, so if you are, if you are interested in those prizes, and if you're motivated enough, go ahead and do that. And this is from their official channel. You can also go visit their Discord and ask them about all these details. All right, so that's all I wanted to say, guys, and have a nice evening. I'll see you when I see you. All right, bye now.